Welcome back to Vapid Trades, and I'm back with another Bitcoin update. So guys, before we get into this, if you haven't joined already, make sure to join the Discord. The link is in the description below. As you can see, we're cooking right now with some of our plays, especially the Bitcoin trade that I took earlier. So the trade is right here. As you can see, if I zoom into the hourly time frame, you can see the trade I took on Bitcoin here. So it smashed through our first take profit target of 97.7k, and it went all the way to 98.8k. So we took profits around 98.6k here. So this trade is now risk free. So yeah, we're just gonna see how it materializes over the next week. But before I continue, if you can hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and the market updates. So guys, talking about Bitcoin, as you can see, I drew this level in one of the previous videos about how we can retest this 94k level, as we're stuck in this range now between 102k and 94k. Post CPI we did tag 94k, so that provided some good entries there. Of course, I did wait for some low time frame confirmation before taking that long, which I showed you earlier. However, now we're coming into this resistance here at around 98 to 99k, and I don't think we're gonna go anywhere if we don't break this 99k level with some volume. We might just creep around here, this 94 to 98k level, for the next week or so. I don't know, but let's see. But yeah, as I mentioned, without the 99k break, we're not gonna see 102k anytime soon. But I am optimistic that this should come in the coming weeks. Sometime in March we should see high levels for Bitcoin. As I mentioned, unless we flip 104k, we're not going to see high levels. I know a lot of people are expecting 120k. I do believe it should come someday. As you can see here, we've got resistance here, deviation here. So yeah, we should see 110k plus in the coming weeks for Bitcoin, should we flip this level here of 104k. So right now, it's pretty much no man's land. If we go into the weekly level here, so you can see the weekly level here. As for the weekly level, if we do drop down to 81k, to 75k, it is a screaming buy for me, as I've mentioned before. As you can see, this weekly level held here at around 54, 55, 56k, and we literally went up only from here. So I do believe if we do come down to this level, we will see the same kind of price action here, and as you can see here as well, came into that level and it was up only. So we should see the same kind of price action as we saw here at 28k, and as we saw here at 54k. So yeah, if you do come into it, you know what to do. You know to start building a nice Bitcoin position. But as for dollar cost averaging now, I'm not against it. Of course, you do always want some firepower to buy lower if we do get it, or buy the flip if we do get it as well, with some confirmation. So as for my thoughts on Bitcoin right now, another thing is a micro strategy. So the shareholders see 1.8 billion gain as strategy treasury calls Bitcoin reserves. So micro strategy, they did buy some more Bitcoin at around 97k. So yeah, it's right here, $97,255, and they bought around $742 million worth. And the thing about MicroStrategy is, every time they've bought, regardless of the short-term price action, they always come out on top. So I did remember when they were buying, top blasting at every opportunity possible, and Bitcoin started to drop 10%, 20%, and everyone was panicking, laughing at MicroStrategy, being at a loss. And now they've come out on top, and the shareholders are in a very nice profit as well. And I do believe it will be the same story here. If we do come into this level, I do believe eventually we'll be trading above 110, 120k, which will put them in some very nice profit again. So this is why I'm fairly confident that we should see higher prices soon. Just remember, they're investing, as you can see, almost $1 billion into this at 97k. So if they weren't confident that they'll see higher prices soon, or Bitcoin will see higher prices soon, there's no reason for them to invest so much. And of course, I'm pretty sure they'll have the best analyst as well, who can predict where Bitcoin will go in the near future. So this is why I'm fairly confident that we should see a break of 104k soon, and we should see 120k plus in the near future. You wouldn't buy $700 million worth of Bitcoin if you were confident the bull market was over. So that's also something to keep in mind if you are unsure, or if you're feeling to sell everything, or if you are feeling the bull market is over. So guys, that's it from me. I'll be covering some stocks as well from now. My stocks Twitter account got locked off by Elon Musk, thank you very much. But yeah, I'll just post on my main account, my crypto account from now on, so everything is in one place. And as I mentioned already, if you haven't joined the Discord already, do join below. I'll be coming with some bangers there as well. So guys, thank you very much for your time, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care.